All right, this is a continuation of the video I posted a couple days ago about the death wobble on our 2019 Jeep Wrangler JL Unlimited. And one of my YouTube subscribers gave me some pointers saying that it's really common for this steering damper to be installed upside down and backwards, even though there's a sticker on it that says which way is supposed to face front. The service techs don't pay any attention, put it in backwards. Check this out. And yeah, I'm pissed. Okay, I'm under my Jeep. I got to give a shout out to one of my subscribers, Rodney Middleton. He gave me some pointers on this from his buddy that works at the service department at the local Chrysler dealer there. And yeah, sure as hell, this steering damper is installed backwards. Check this out. And it says right there, facing to the front, right? And it's not, it's facing back. So yeah, this was installed incorrectly by Town and Country Chrysler Jeep Dodge on McLaughlin Boulevard in Milwaukee, Oregon. This is going back, and I'm gonna hold their feet to the fire about this because we've been putting up with this for 9 months. And I even had it back in. I took it back in and I went for a drive with the service manager there. And they're just plain stupid about the whole thing. And so, yeah, I'm pissed. And I'm gonna blast this on social media. I really, I know now they gotta put a new one in because if they install it backwards, it damages it. And, I really think they owe us an alignment, and maybe a wheel balance because, obviously the alignment's out now with all the shaking and stuff that's happened over the last 9 months of driving this. And this is a brand new $38,000 Jeep. I shouldn't have to be messing with this. That's why you buy a new Jeep. If I want to work on the Jeep, I go buy an old used Jeep and do all the stuff to it and jack it up and mess around and have fun with it. But no, this is the wife's car. She's, it's her daily driver. It's just got to work, So there you go.